song called The End of Cards. Everybody? Fairy tales can come true. It can happen to you if you're young at heart. For it's hard you will find to be narrow of mind if you're young at heart. You can go to extremes with impossible schemes. You can laugh when your dreams fall apart at the seams. And life gets more exciting with its passing day. And love is either in your heart or on the way. Don't you know that it's worth every treasure on earth to be young and hard? For us rich as you are, it's much better by far to be young and hard. You can go to extremes with impossible schemes. They can all you drive out of being alive. And here is the best part: you have a head start if you are among the very young and hard. And if she should survive to 105, they can all you derive out of being alive. And here is the best part: you have a head start if you are among the very young and hard.